Namaste, welcome to the class. We will start. We'll start with neck exercise. Keep little distance between both the legs. Hands at the waistline. Eyes gently closed. Now exhaling. Bring head forward. Chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling, slowly take it back. Try to lift chin little more up. Exhaling down. Inhaling, take it back. Exhaling, come to center. Now inhaling, turn right. Chin and the right shoulder in the same line. From there, try to stretch back. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, turn left. Chin and the left shoulder in the same line. From there, try to stretch back. Exhaling, come to center. Now we will rotate. Exhaling down, chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Now we will rotate anti-clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. One more time. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Normalize the neck. Now keep both the legs together. With both the hands, rotate both the hands forward. When hands goes up, shoulders coming closer to the ears. Keep elbows in stretched position, straight and stretched. Similarly, do it in the reverse direction. Check yourself whether your elbows are straight and stretched. Relax. Now, alternatively lift the hands up and down and stretch them at both the ends, keeping elbows straight. Now both the hands, take them up and down together. Relax. Now place both the palms on the shoulder. Join the elbows at the front. Exhaling, stretch them back. Now join the elbows at the top, in front of the forehead. Keeping the elbows together, bring them down and start rotating forward. Keep the shoulders in stretched position throughout the rotation. Now do it in the reverse direction. Join them at the bottom. Keeping the elbows together, bring them up and start rotating. Now from sideways, lift the hands up and down. From shoulder to elbow should be straight and coming closer to the ears. Only shoulders are moving, not the entire body, not even head. Relax. Now keep both the hands forward, palms looking down. Exhaling, pull the elbows back. Similarly, up and down. Keep hands up, pull the elbows down while exhaling. Lock them at the front. Don't take them back. Relax. Now keep little distance between both the legs. Hands at the waistline. Now rotate the abdomen clockwise. Only abdomen should get rotated. And then anti-clockwise. Relax. Now keep more than 1 feet distance between both the legs, little more than shoulder width. Inhaling, take both the hands up. Once again inhale and stretch them up and bend back. Bend as much as possible, closing your eyes. Exhaling, if you don't have a backache, slowly bend forward. Those who has backache, please do it up to your capacity. Completely exhale, bend forward and see if you can reach the feet, respective feet. If you are able to reach, keeping the palms on the feet, try to bend a little more down without bending the knees. Now keeping this position as is, try to swing right and left. When you go to right, left hand is coming towards your right feet, and then vice versa. When you come to left, right hand is coming. When you go to right, left hand is coming. So the other hand is going up, and look up. Look towards your hand going up. Make sure your lower back is down. Don't lift your lower back. Relax. Slowly come back. Now keep right hand forward. Try to reach right palm with your right feet while exhaling. Similarly, left hand with left leg. Now, right hand with left leg. Left hand with right leg. Relax. Today we will do few additional warm-ups. Do it up to your capacity. If you have knee pains, you can avoid. Otherwise, you can do it. You can remember your childhood days in a school. Catch hold of the ears in opposite hand. Right ear with left hand, left ear with right hand. Slightly pull down your ears. Now bend your knees, place your knees on the floor, and then bend forward and place your elbows also on the floor. Once you place them, again lift yourself up, come back, again do it. Without knowing this is going to help us, we did so many times in our childhood. So do it at least 5 times. Make sure you are pulling your ears. The lymphatic system will get impacted. Relax. Now we will do few asanas on the back. Lie down on your backbone. These warm-ups will help for the excess fat at the abdomen, also at the sides. Lie down on the back. Now fold both the legs. Bring the heels close to the hips, as close as possible. Palms also close to the heels. Now, exhaling, bend towards your right and see your right palm is surpassing your right feet. Only towards sides. Come back while inhaling, exhaling to left. So do it at least 10 times each side. Try to surpass your toe with your hands. You can lift head a little if you are comfortable. If not, you can lie down completely on the floor. See, every time you are touching your feet, if you are comfortable, try to increase the distance between heels and the hips and then do it. Relax. Relax in the same position. Now, fold both the legs, lift them up, keep them in 90 degrees, L shape. Now, take both the hands under the head, interlock the fingers. Keeping these legs in the same position, with your elbows, try to reach opposite side of the knee. Every time when you exhale, see if your elbow is touching the knee. Do it at least 5 times each side. Relax. Relax for a few seconds. Slowly turn towards your abdomen. Lift yourself on the knees. The way we do Vyagrasana, in that position, keep little distance between both the knees, also the feet. Both palms on the floor. Now, inhaling, keeping the knees on the floor, left palm on the floor. Take the right hand up. Twist yourself, maximum. Look towards your hand going up. Exhaling, while coming down, take the hand under your left hand, keep it straight, completely lie down, place your right ear on the floor. Again, inhaling, take them up, exhaling, come down. Inhaling, go up, exhaling, come down. See the impact at the lower abdomen and the sides. Relax. Now do it with the left hand. Inhaling, left hand goes up. Exhaling, come forward. Your left ear is on the floor in the final stage in the exhale condition. When hand is going up, try to twist maximum. Relax. Relax in the same position for a few seconds. We are going to do at least 2 more. Now lift yourself up in the form of mountain pose in the Surya Namaskar. Come to that position. Keeping this position as is. Now bring the knees towards your hand. Alternatively. See how much time you can do. How many times? At least 5 times each leg. Relax. Relax in the same position again. We will do one more. Normalize the breath. Now come to mountain pose. While inhaling, bring the right leg. Keep the feet outside of the right hand. Exhaling, take it back. Inhaling, bring your left leg. It should surpass the feet. Sorry, your palm. Do it 5 times each side. Relax for a few seconds. We will do one more. Now bring the right hand towards your palms, like in Surya Namaskar, Swadhisthana Chakra. Now fold the right leg, place it on the floor completely in L shape. Make sure your left leg is straight as much as possible. If you are comfortable, slowly lie down, bring your forehead towards the floor. Very good for a diabetic. Wherever you see Swadhisthana Chakra gets activated, this will help reduce the diabetic. Inhaling, raise yourself up, normalize the right leg. Now bring the left leg, fold it, place it on the floor in 90 degrees. Make the right leg straight, bend forward and see if you can place the forehead on the floor. Right leg should be straight as much as possible. If you cannot keep your left leg in 90 degrees, you can bend a little towards your thighs. If you can keep it straight, that will be good. If you cannot, then fold it towards your right leg so that you will be able to do better. Inhaling, raise yourself up, normalize the left leg. Now bring the right leg one more time. Normalize the right leg, do it with left leg one more time. The final round. Slowly normalize yourself. Come back and sit on the asana. Now sit in Padmasana if you can. If not, Ardha Padmasana or Sukhasana. And normalize the breath. We'll go for deep and long breathing. Once you normalize the breath, come to Padmasana, hands in Jnana Mudra. wrist on the knees, elbows close to the body, back and neck straight, eyes gently closed. We will do deep and long breathing. Start exhaling slowly, as slow as possible. Completely exhale. Pull the navel deep inside. Holding the breath outside, apply Moonban. Hold for some time. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently. Deep inhalation up to the throat. Again apply Moonban. Relax Moonban. Normalize the breath. This is one round. Repeat 2 more times. Once you complete the rounds, relax. We will chant Om 3 times followed by Gayatri Mantra. Inhale, mouth into circular shape. Mahamantra Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Try to get up without taking support of your hands. If you cannot, come onto the knees and then get up.